Hello, I'm Devojyoti, and I'm working with Matt on this project, Carbon Metrics for Spring Boot. Over to you, Matt.
Thanks. So one of the hardest parts about making carbon-aware computing decisions is just knowing where to start and what to measure. The Green Software Foundation Software Carbon Intensity Specification helps us answer some of those questions. So what exactly is software carbon intensity? Right? It comes down to three key pieces of information. How much energy is our application using? How clean is that application's energy? And how much hardware does it depend on to do its work? So during the hackathon, we worked on a reference implementation for automatically calculating and publishing those SCI values for your running app. And we did this by providing a drop-in Spring Boot starter that can estimate the energy that your application is using based on things like CPU utilization. It can talk to the Carbon-Aware SDK in order to gather marginal carbon intensity for the location that it's running. And then it's going to publish those heartbeats of SCI values to a dashboard of your choice. If we zoom in to an example, we can see how this helps us act and then validate. In this case, we've moved an application from one place to another where the energy is a little cleaner, seen on the bottom graph. And we can see the impact that has in our SCI values on the top. We see this spike of intensity as the application restarts, but then we see a lower run rate in general, sort of validating our actions. So where do we go from here? There's still a lot of work to do to make those three values accurate and available on all platforms. I also think that this is just the beginning, right? Making SCI visible and understandable helps a developer or an architect or a technical leader make good architectural decisions toward their sustainability goals. So get involved, clone the repo, try out the example app, and let's make frictionless carbon metrics for Spring Boot real. Thanks.